Yeah, good morning, children. Previous class, we discussed some vocabulary from Unit 3. Vocabulary we discussed, right? And today, the same topic and some things that we left, right? Here, from the same unit vocabulary, we are going to discuss. So take your book, write what I am going to explain you, and be prepared well. So yesterday compound nouns and we have seen, and today we are going to discuss the things duplicative, alliterative, rhyming. So from the vocabulary parts, duplicative, and alliterative, and the third one, rhyming. So what is duplicative and what is rhyming? So we are going to discuss the things. Here the duplicative part means the same word the second time repeat. Example, see, bye, by. This is duplicative. See, here the same word repeated second time. That is called duplicative. But whereas alliterative, the two different parts of the same consonant to two different times. See, alliterative in the sense, here two different parts will be there and the two different consonant and vowel sounds and consonant sounds are here. Okay, and here the rhyming words are the two different words, but the first letter will be changed. For example, see, alliterative from the lesson Dilly, Daddy. See, here the I is a vowel letter and A is a vowel letter. See, here the change of vowel letter that is called alliterative. And rhyming, for example, super and duper. See, here the consonant letter will be changed. The first consonant. Here the same word repeated the second time, and here the consonants will be changed in alliterative and rhyming words. The first letter of the word will be changed. That is consonant letters. So let us see what are these rhyming words, and here the list of the words that are given. For example, the first one, if you see the first one, ding dong. So ding, D-I-N-G, ding, D-O-N-G, dong. So that comes under this one, alliterative. Ding dong. And next one, and A-E, A-Y-E and A-Y-E. So you know very well, A-Y-E, A-A. That is duplicative. And bow wow, see, bow wow, bow, B-O-W, bow, and wow. See, here B letter and W, consonant. Next to chuk, 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 C-H-I-C-K, chuk, 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 chuk. So same word repeated. Next to easy, peasy, E-A-S-Y, 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 easy peasy, P-E-A-S-Y, peasy. Here easy and peasy. So next ta. So ta, duplicative, and ping pong, P-I-N-G, ping, P-O-N-G, pong, ping pong, alliterative. And next one, bang bang, duplicative, bang bang, bang bang. And next one, zigzag, zig, zag. And next one, and seesaw, seesaw, S-C-A, sorry, seesaw here, S-E-A-C-S-A-W, here E-A, that means alliterative, and okay, doke. So here O-K-E-Y, okay, doke, D-O-K-E-Y, doke, that means here D-O change. And next one, hip hop, H-I-P, hip, H-I-P, hip hop, hope, hip hop. Next one, helter skelter, helter. So here H-E-L-T-E-R, helter skelter, S-K-E-L-T-E-R, skelter, rhyming word, helter skelter. And the same way chop, chop. So here chop, C-H-O-P, chop, and C-H-O-P, chop, same word repeated. And next one, papa. So here duplicative, papa is a duplicative. And next one, itsy bitsy, itsy, I-T-S-Y, itsy, bitsy, B-I-T-S-Y, bitsy. So here rhyming word. And boo boo, so B-O-O boo, and B-O-O, so duplicative word. And next one, hush hush, H-U-S, hush, sorry, hush hush. So here duplicative, H-U-S, hush, and H-U-S, hush. Next one, tip top. So tip top, T-I-P-T-O-P. So tip top. Next one, chit chat, C-H-I-T, chit chat. So it is alliterative. And next one, ha ha. So duplicative, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha. And next one, nitty gritty. So here nitty gritty, G-R-I-T-T-Y, nitty gritty. And pitter patter. So that is a pitter patter, it is alliterative. So very children, please note it down, and few are things are there, I have to write down. Please all of you note it down. And pitter patter, pitter, P-I-T-T-A-R, pitter patter, P-A-T-T-A-R, pitter patter. Okay, next, hanky panky. So rhyming word, H-A-N-K-Y, hanky panky, P-A-N-K-Y, panky. Next one, Tweety Weety, Tweety, again rhyming words, Tweety, 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 Weevy, Tweety Weevy. So that's why. Hurly burly, H-U-R, again rhyming word, H-U-R-L-Y, Hurly, and B-U-R-L-Y, Hurly burly. And next one, Miss Mash. So Miss Mash is here, M-I-S-H, Miss Mash, M-A-S-H, Mash, Miss Mash, Miss Mash. Okay, next, night, night. Night, night means here duplicate to N-I-G-H-T, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. So duplicate two. And okay, TikTok, TikTok, T-I-C-K, tick, T-O-C-K, talk, TikTok. So these are the words, and here the list of the words are given in our textbook regarding this unit vocabulary. Okay, my dear children, this is vocabulary which you have to write in notebook, because so from this vocabulary you might have get into examination point of view. అది కూడా ఎలా అడుగుతారు అనేది మీరు ఇది నోట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ వీటి నుంచి, అంటే ఈ యొక్క రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్ డూప్లికేటివ్ నుంచి, అల్లరేటివ్ నుంచి, రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్ నుంచి ఎటువంటి ఎలా క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే మనం ఎలా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి అనేది కూడా ఇక్కడ నేను చూపిస్తాను, నోట్ చేసుకోండి. Okay, so let us see what type of the questions has come from this point of view. మన ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ ని దీన్ని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, ఎలాగా చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో ఈ యొక్క రైమింగ్ డూప్లికేటివ్ అల్లరేటివ్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా వస్తుంది, దాన్ని మనం ఎలా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్డ్స్, డింగ్ డాంగ్, ఏ chup chup, tata, ping pong, bang bang, next seesaw, next ping pong, zigzag. So here children, how many words are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here there are 7, 8 words are given. So examination point of view question ఎలా అడుగుతాడంటే put the words under the correct heading. ఇది క్వశ్చన్. సో 8 into 1/4 equal to 2 marks. ఇది మనకి క్వశ్చన్. ఇచ్చిన పైన ఇచ్చిన వర్డ్స్ లో వాటిని కరెక్ట్ గా హెడ్డింగ్ కింద పెట్టమంటాడు. ఒకవైపు ఏమో డూప్లికేటివ్ అని ఇస్తాడు, రెండో వైపు అల్లిటరేటివ్ అని ఇస్తాడు. Okay, duplicative. What are the duplicative words here? So we have to write under these. First one, a and chuk. Second one, chuk. And next one, tata. And the fourth one, what are the fourth one? Bang. So these are the duplicate and the remaining alliterative. So alliterative in the sense vowel letters change. That's all. First one దీనిలో ding dong. And second one is ping pong. And third one is seesaw. Fourth one is zigzag. So ఇట్లాగా మనకి ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూకి వచ్చేసరికి ఈ బేస్ లో మనం ఈ నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. ఈ వొకాబులరీలో అల్లటరేటివ్, డూప్లికేటివ్ అండ్ రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్ ఇవి మనం నేర్చుకోవాల్సి ఉంది. ప్లీజ్ నోట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. This was the question, so this was the answer. See, here 8 words are here. Each one carries 1/4 marks. Total 2 marks you will gain. Right? So in this way, and today this you have to learn, and tomorrow we'll come to the new class. Right? Until then you have to revise yesterday vocabulary, the previous class vocabulary, and today's vocabulary class, and everything you have to revise. Okay? Until then, take care of yourself. Right? Thank you.